Hi, today I'll be showing you how to connect a Postgres database to Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule query. So let's get started. To set up your database, go to the Toolbar section and within Add-ons, click the Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage your databases by editing your current one or by creating a new one. So if you want to create a new database, you have to compile some database connection information, which consists of 5 components: database name, host, port, username, and password. And so if you're unsure of where to get these credentials, a great place to start is to contact your engineering, analytics, or IT team. And so once you've received the credentials, you can go ahead and input it. So the database name, we can use Postgres sample. And next, click the drop-down menu to find the database that you would like to use, in this case Postgres. Database name, coronavirus. Host is usually a long URL, so in this case it's the link here. This port is standard for Postgres databases. Username and password. So once you've done so, click Test to verify that your credentials are okay, and then click Save. And that's how you set up your database. Now let's run queries. To run a query, go to the add-on again, but this time, click Launch. So here you can select the database that you would like to use, and then paste your query in. So we can use a sample one of select all from the Corona data table with the limit of 10 entries. And once you've done so, you can go ahead and run it. Now you can go ahead and save your query. So a query name is mandatory, but the description is optional. So I will use the name Corona dataset and go ahead and click Save. So now we can schedule our query. To schedule our query, go to the Schedule tab, and here you can select the query that you'd like to schedule, and also the sheet you'd like to run the schedule in. You can either choose to repeat it or only run it once. I'll choose to repeat it once a minute every day. And now you can choose the time range in terms of how you'd like to schedule your data. So I will choose from 8:15 a.m. to 9:05 p.m. And then I can go ahead and click Schedule. After you've clicked Schedule, make sure to share the Google Sheet with the Castodia email. And so just copy the icon here, go to Share. And once you've shared it with us, make sure that the edit option is also on. And then go ahead and click Done. Now, it's important to note that whenever you do schedule a query on the Castodia add-on, a pink line will form underneath the sheet name just like this to indicate that you've used the add-on for a certain function. And you can see that the data has updated on the spreadsheet just like this. And that's it.